Hi, I'm Heike from Genii. I'm here to give you an introduction to the Telecom T4010. I'll guide you through the setup basics and show you how to personalise it to suit your needs. With a sleek, lightweight design and 3.5 megapixel camera, the Telecom T4010 is a great first step into the world of smartphones. We'll take a look at what's in the box shortly, but first, make sure you save your contacts from your old phone onto your SIM so they're immediately available when you've finished setup. Your 4010 comes with an AC adapter, USB cable, headphones and guides. To get started, insert your SIM, then the battery, and replace the cover. Now press the power button until the screen comes to life. Once powered up, you'll be taken through the setup wizard. This is easy to follow and takes just a few minutes. Your 4010 will default to English, so tap Next. You can choose whether to operate a swipe or Android keyboard. We'll go with the default for now. Tick to turn data on and tap Next. Application sync options come next. If you turn auto sync on, it's a good idea to keep an eye on your data usage. You can always switch this off in settings at any time. Now let's add your Google account. Doing so will give you immediate access to the Play Store once setup is complete. Google location options come next. Great for using maps or other location-based applications. Keep these options ticked to continue. Now tap Finish Setup. Your 4010 will now prompt you about system updates. Choose how frequently you'd like these and tap Next. Now confirm the date and time and tap Next. Have a read of the quick tips to extend battery life and manage data usage, then tap Next and Finish. That's your 4010 all set up. I'll now explain some of the standard device features to get you started. To lock the display, press the power button on the device briefly. The screen will go dark, which means it's in standby mode. You can do this while in any active screen. To unlock the device, press the power button and swipe down. This will display the main home screen. Adjust the ringer by pressing the volume up or down button. Scrolling all the way down puts your 4010 into vibrate mode. For extra security, we recommend you create a passcode lock. It needs to be one you can easily remember, but not something people can easily guess. Tap the app icon at the bottom of the home screen, then tap Settings, then Security, and Set up Screen Lock. Select the lock option you prefer and follow the on-screen instructions. To return to the home screen at any time, tap the Home button. To select an icon or choose an option on the screen, just tap on it. To go back a step at any point, just tap the Back button. Your 4010 has a number of home screens for the display of apps and widgets. Navigate between these screens by swiping your finger from side to side. The dots show you what screen you're in. The notification bar at the top of the screen alerts you to all of the latest happenings on your 4010, like receiving voicemail, appointment reminders, and emails. To view notifications, swipe your finger down the screen. Tap on the description to find out more, or delete all remaining notifications by tapping Clear. Next, we'll take a look at personalising your 4010. You can customise many things, like wallpaper, ringtones, and icon placement. Your 4010 comes preloaded with clever widgets like the Weather too. To add a widget, scroll to a clear screen and tap the menu button. Then Add, then Widgets. Browse the options and tap on your choice. It will now appear on the screen. To add an app to the home screen, tap the app icon. Browse the options and long press on your chosen app, drag and release it. You can move it anywhere on the screen by long pressing and then releasing your finger when it's in the spot you want. To remove an app icon or widget, long press again, then drag down to the rubbish bin. If you run out of room for all your apps and widgets, you can add extra screens by tapping the menu button, then Settings, then Home Screen Settings. The Play Store is where you'll find apps for almost anything, from social and business networking through to life planning and navigation. There are great free apps too, like Cisco WebEx, which lets you join web conferences right from your 4010. Just tap on the Play Store icon on the home screen. Accept the terms, then browse the categories or type the app you're after into the search bar. Tap on your chosen app for more information and to download. If you plan to take your 4010 overseas, it's a good idea to download the Telecom Roaming app. It's a great free tool that helps you manage data costs while you're overseas. You can even put a data smart cap in place so that when you reach your chosen spend limit, data usage will stop. Free alerts will tell you how your usage is going too. Search on Telecom Roaming in the Play Store and tap to install. Once downloaded, launch the app, agree to the terms, then tap the dots for more info. Now tap Data Smart Caps, then tap the link to view usage. Now tap Change to adjust your cap. Next, we'll look at email. We added Google Mail during setup, but now's the time to add in other accounts like corporate email. Before you set up Exchange email, you will need the relevant information from your mail server administrator. Exchange settings vary from company to company, so if you have any trouble with this next step, please speak with your mail server administrator. From the home screen, tap the menu button, then Settings, then Accounts and Sync, and Add Account. Now tap Corporate. Enter your work email address and password, then tap Next. Now add your Exchange server settings. There are a number of fields available, but you only need to enter the information your mail server administrator has provided and tap Next. You can browse mail settings or just tap Next to continue. Lastly, name your account and activate Device Administrator if required. Bluetooth offers you wireless connectivity over short distances from your 4010. You can use it to link devices like car kits for safe driving and headsets that let you multitask while you talk. From the home screen, tap the menu button, then Settings, Wireless and Networks, then Bluetooth Settings. Tap to turn on and make your 4010 discoverable to other devices. Now tap Scan for devices. Scroll down the list until you see the device you wish to pair with and tap on it. Check that the passkey matches and accept the pairing request on both devices. Bluetooth devices vary, so you may need to follow specific instructions to pair. Your 4010 is a handy business tool, but did you know you can turn it into a Wi-Fi hotspot too? When you're out and about with another wireless device like a laptop or tablet, you can use the data connection on your 4010 to connect other wireless devices. From the home screen, tap the app icon, then Settings, and Wireless and Networks. Now tap Tethering and Portable Hotspot. Now tap Wi-Fi hotspot settings. Tick to activate and follow the configuration steps, including setting a password, then tap Save. On your other wireless device, turn Wi-Fi on, select your 4010's network name and enter the password to connect. The last feature we'll cover is power management. We'll give you some quick tips to extend the life of your battery so you can stay connected for longer. Swiping down from the status bar lets you quickly turn off apps like Bluetooth to save power. You can turn airplane mode on here too. Reducing the screen time out is a good power saver. You can do this by heading to Settings, Display, then Screen Timeout. Reducing the brightness saves power too. Hit the back button and tap Brightness to adjust. You're now on your way to discovering even more on your Telecom T4010. Have a look through the menus and explore the applications to get this great smartphone doing the things you need it to. And remember, the more you practice, the easier it will become.